Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get OANDA API key. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the first thing what we need to do is open up a web page and go to developer.oanda.com. Now once we're here, we need to click onto documentation. And now on this page, it's going to show you exactly how to get that API key or access. So here it says getting started, and then step 1, get an OANDA V20 FX trade account. So you can try a free demo account or open a live account. Then step 2 is get REST API key. So log into the account management portal on FX Trade and select manage API access. Under My Services, generate your personal access token immediately after you agree to the API license. This token is valid for both the legacy OANDA API and the OANDA Volume 20 API, and free, ready for automated trading. So start making a request to OANDA's FX trade platform with your personal access token.